Ever find the perfect article on Google Scholar only to get stuck staring at the publisher's paywall when you try to read it? If you've got a library card, college or public, there's a simple fix. If you don't have a library card, what are you doing? Go get one! You can connect Google Scholar directly to your library and get full text articles for free. Here's how to do it. Open Google Scholar, hit the menu in the top left and head to Settings. Find the Library Links option in the sidebar. Type in your library's name, your college, or your city's public library. Select your library and save. That's it. Now, when you search for articles, look for a link on the right side called Full Text at whatever your library is. Click that and you'll get routed to the article through your library. No paywall, no payments. If you don't see the full text link, it usually means your library does not have direct access to that article. But don't give up. Most libraries offer interlibrary loan options like Link Plus or Rapid Request. It's usually free and it's always worth asking about. Try this next time you're hunting for sources. It works way more often than you'd expect. Happy researching!